Cotton. Stage 1. The Easy Change Swaddle is within Stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in approximately 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Easy diaper changes. The secure design of this swaddle creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby. Easy change zipper makes diaper changing quiet. Slits on the back of swaddle are for use in swings bouncers. Do not use in infant car seats. Soft and comfortable. The SwaddleMe Easy Change Swaddles are made out of soft fabric, 100% cotton, for durable, snug, secure comfort. Plus, they are machine washable. Size small, medium. The SwaddleMe Easy Change Swaddle in small, medium fits 0 to 3 months, 7 to 14 pounds, up to 26 inches. SwaddleMe Sleep Stages. This Easy Change Swaddle is for newborns in the first stage in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to Stage 2. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful. Love the zipper on the bottom. These swaddles are great. As a first-time mom, it's really hard to know which brand of swaddle is the best. I was gifted the original SwaddleMe at my baby shower, and after trying a few different brands with our baby, we narrowed this down to being the best. The swaddles are soft, easy to put on, and, best of all, escape-proof. In addition to the original SwaddleMe, I bought the zippered ones and absolutely love them. They have been a game changer for middle-of-the-night diaper changes, where we can change the baby without waking her up. She is starting to outgrow these, and I open the bottom a little to give her legs more room while we transition to a larger size. Overall, highly recommend.